The Baltimore Oyster Partnership is growing 5 million oysters in Baltimore Harbor by 2030. Why? To do our part for the Chesapeake Bay by restoring the oyster population, cleaning the water, and empowering students and volunteers throughout the city. Want to get involved? You actually already might be. Here's how. Did you know that when you order oysters at participating restaurants like this one, you are helping to restore the harbor? These leftover oyster shells are a valuable resource, crucial for restoring and maintaining oyster reefs. So instead of throwing them away, restaurants partner with organizations to recycle their oyster shells.
All those collected shells end up at places like this, here in Shadyside, Maryland. The shells cure for 12 months in this giant pile. We then clean them, put them into bags, and they're ready to become a home for new baby oysters.
These bags are then placed into these giant setting tanks. The tanks are filled with water pumped straight from the bay. Then the shells are seeded with millions of oyster larvae, and every oyster shell will become a home for dozens of them.
From there, we make our way to Baltimore in our most favorite truck, you guessed it, the Spatmobile. It's crazy to think that starting this fall, we're going to bring over 1 million oysters into the Baltimore Harbor every year.
Once they arrive here at the Inner Harbor, volunteers are ready to put them into oyster cages. For the next 9 months, they will hang from docks and piers around the Baltimore waterfront, cared for by people like you, who will help ensure their health and monitor their impact.
But that's not the end of their journey. Once the oysters have matured, they are loaded onto historic ships like this one, operated by the Living Classrooms Foundation, and taken to their forever home on a no-harvest sanctuary reef in Baltimore's Patapsco River. Once there, they live out the rest of their lives, filtering water and providing habitat to the fish and the crabs and the other critters that call Baltimore Harbor their home.
I bet you didn't know a plate of oysters could do all of that. So the next time you're eating oysters in your favorite restaurant, make sure to recycle their shells. And if you want to get involved, come join us.
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 Come join us! Come join us! Sign up to volunteer with the Baltimore Oyster Partnership and join the team.